hell?
Okay, look, before you pound the crap out of me, I need to get something off my chest. Calm down, okay? Look, I'm not the one that turned you in for cheating on the algebra finals. It wouldn't matter, like, to me if you cheated on like few answers, because I mean I know Mr. Watson grades on the curves, but I always get the higher score. Like, so whatever feeble score you might rise to by stealing a few answers isn't gonna affect me. And by the way, if you're gonna look over somebody's shoulder, you might as well just look over mine, because I mean, I'm the best. Okay?
Do you believe this guy?
Oh my god. Well, calm down. Okay, I just heard myself, and I really do sound like a conceited, like, little twerp. Okay? That's why no one likes me.
Huh?
Okay, I know now what's going on. Maybe I do deserve the beating you're about to give me. It'll knock some sense into me. All right, okay? This is gonna be good for me.
You know what? Forget you. You're not even worth it.